Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a real racing gem in 1/64 scale, the Hot Wheels Toyota GR86 Cup, model code HYX74, collector number 79 out of 250 for 2025. This car belongs to the HW Compact King Series 1 of 10 and comes in Case P. Let's open the blister and take a closer look at this compact but mighty diecast. The casting is finished in racing trim with wide fenders, aerodynamic details, and a stance that perfectly captures the GR86 Cup's spirit. At 1/64 scale, every small detail counts, from the aggressive front bumper to the rear spoiler. Hot Wheels has really nailed the proportions, keeping the authentic racing feel of this modern Japanese sports car. Now let's talk about the real car. The Toyota GR86 Cup is based on the second generation GR86, a lightweight rear-wheel drive sports car tuned for track racing. Under the hood sits a 2.4-liter flat-4 engine delivering 234 horsepower or 172 kilowatts. It sprints from 0 to 100 km/h in just 6.3 seconds and reaches a top speed of 226 km/h. Compact, agile, and track-ready. The GR86 measures about 4.27 meters in length, making it nimble and responsive on technical circuits. The Cup version has been specially prepared for one-make racing series, ensuring that all drivers compete under equal conditions. This model pays tribute to Toyota Gazoo Racing's mission: affordable performance and pure driving fun. Back to the diecast, the livery is bold and sporty, with racing stripes and details that make it stand out in any collection. Whether displayed in a diorama pit lane or next to other JDM legends, this casting is perfect for enthusiasts who love modern motorsport. If you enjoyed this showcase, stay tuned. Every day we bring you new diecast content, unboxings, 360 views, and diorama scenes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video on the Growing Cars Show.